As they grow older, they realize that their parents are their everything. They happily give us lot of things in the possible way they can. Thank you Allah for our parents, and we are grateful for their love, support, attention and guidance.
God, please help us to be as loving to them as they have been to us. Let us show our devotion by honoring the gift that God gave us, our parents.
Parents is the one of the greatest title in this world we have. We have our parents to call mom and dad is the biggest blessing, inspiration in our life. So, let's enjoy a beautiful act, Parents Tribute, presented by 9th standard students.
मंदी माया त्याच्या काळ्या मेघावानी दाखविना कधी कुणा डोळ्यातल पाणी झिजू झिजू संसाराचा गाडा हाकला वटामंदी हासू जरी कनावाकला घडी भर तू थांब जरा ऐक त्याची धापर लई अवघड हाय गाड्या उमगाया बापर उमगाया बापर लई अवघड हाय गाड्या उमगाया बापर उमगाया बापर त्याची मुखी घाल मेल लेकराच्या पायी उभा जन्म जाईना पाचोळा जिनरानो माळ जिनरानो माळ घडी भर तू थांब जरा ऐक त्याची धापर लई अवघड हाय गड्या उमगाया बापर